You see, Dangler and Tina started chatting online about 5 months ago. And just like that, they really hit it off. They had so much in common, and they shared a whole ton of things with each other. Tina took such an interest in Dangler that when she asked him to finally meet, he did not say no. There was just one thing that Tina did not tell Dangler. She was not only an internet predator, but also a notorious serial killer. Don't give out your personal information online, and never, ever, ever meet somebody offline.